Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be talking about AI image prompts. Yes, how to generate yours like a pro. Yes, I did that with this picture. That's how I generated this picture. So the secret to every stunning AI images you see, it's your prompt. Yes, what you want it to do. So the tools we'll be using today, we'll be using ChatGPT and we'll be using our Gemini. Yes. So first of all, I went to ChatGPT and I typed a prompt, which is here. I need a prompt to generate a photo on Nano Banana to celebrate Independence Day. The attire should be a green and white stripe, beach long and flowing dress with a slit to the knee. Yes, I'm just trying to tell ChatGPT that I need a prompt and this is the kind of prompt I want. Yes, you will customize your prompt. You tell it, okay, you want it on the beach, okay, you want a flag beside it, okay, oh, you want water, you want sand, you want to be on barefoot, you want to be on slippers, you want to, so on its own, yes, it will generate the prompt asap, sharp sharp. So it is quite fun, and I will encourage a lot of us to try and generate our own prompts instead of copying other people's prompts and making and then duplicating a particular style, a particular design everywhere instead of duplicating a particular design. So you can do yours, make it so beautiful, just do it the way you want it. Yes. So here I added with a slit to the nail, and then it should carry a beach background with enough light. Yes, I had to tell it enough light, and then make it realistic. So sometimes you can add enough sunlight or maybe cloud or anything, you can add it. So voila, this is the prompt AI that's ChatGPT generated for me. So the next thing you have to do is just to follow the prompt, and then if you read the prompt and the prompt doesn't get every details you need, then you can still ask ChatGPT to add some prompts. Yes, you can ask it, and then you can ask it to add some details. Now those details we're talking about is what we call prompts. Yes, prompt is what you ask ChatGPT to do. That's the instruction. So now, and when you're done with ChatGPT, you just copy on the final prompt that you've gotten, final description, go on your Google Gemini, and then paste it there. Yes, then select a very clear, yes, a very clear image. Now when you get to Gemini app, that or Nano Banana, then you will state it that this face, in fact, that it should keep, and that you should keep the face and the body features to be exact. Yes, you should state it, because and if you don't state it, it can generate anything for you with any woman or imagine anything for you. So immediately you state it directly, voila, you've gotten your result. A very beautiful image. Yes, a very beautiful image. This is not duplicated. This is from your own description. Yes, this is for only you. Now the only way another person can get this particular design is when probably you might share your prompt, or probably the person might give the same prompt, which the probability, it's and is little, yes, for the probability. So this is it. So I tried making other examples, yes, to show you all. So you can do this. It's beautiful. It's and you can use it to just while away time and just create something beautiful for yourself that you'll be proud of. Yes, then generating your own description, your own prompts from the scratch. Yes, as a beginner. and these tools are free. These tools are used. There's these two tools I mentioned are actually free, yes. Although ChatGPT also have um the paid version, but you can also explore the free version of it. And then the Google and then the Google Gemini is also free. So you can explore it and do something. So you can see on this other prompt added um a Nigerian flag behind it, because yes, this is Nigerian independence. Yes, happy independence to Nigeria. Yes, so in the spirit of independence. So this another prompt I made. Now, you see the difference. I didn't add keep the exact face and body features. Yes. So it gave me something else that kind of relates to what we've been doing. So now, but then immediately I added the exact face and body features should be there's a face and the body features should be exact. You see it brought out my face and my body feature. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much to all of you who have been watching our video.